let's get you the latest on the Jammu and Kashmir local election results. The Abdullah Mufti Alliance has won 9 district councils in the Kashmir Valley. BJP has won 6 districts out of 10 in Jammu. Let's go across to Nazir now for more. And Nazir, many of these results are still to be announced, but a big victory for the Gupkar Alliance.
Exactly. Now the results are almost now come. There are few results which are now awaited. And this is very, very chilling, cold morning in Srinagar and other parts of the valley. It is -5 degrees in Srinagar this time. But there's a political warm-up. So we see, politicians congratulating each other, everybody in their own perspective, talking about their big victory and the big verdict. After the results, Gupkar saying it is a verdict against Centre's decision on abrogation of Article 370, because according to them, they have won 13 out of 20 districts in Jammu and Kashmir if they include Congress with them as well. That is a fact. One district is undecided, but BJP has actually swept large parts of the Jammu. They have completely swept, won almost most of the seats in 4, Hindu-dominated districts of Jammu, 1 Muslim-dominated majority district in Jammu as well. So 5 districts here, then 1 district also where they can form the district development council, maybe with the Apni party who has won 2 seats there as well. In Kashmir Valley, it's out of 10 districts. You have, this 9 with the Gupkar Alliance. 1 is where the independents are leading. They will decide who will form the council in Srinagar district. And there are 4 districts in the Jammu province which are both in Chenab Valley and Pir Panjal region, Rajouri, Poonch, Kishtwar and Ramban district, where Congress and the NC are in a comfortable position to form the councils in 4 districts of Jammu province as well. This is what Umar Abdullah has to say when yesterday I spoke to him about these results.
What they did on 5th August 2019 was an unconstitutional and deeply unpopular move. And that has come out. And look, we've always said that we are a democratic party.
But then why didn't you aggressively campaign during this election? Like the BJP, they drafted senior leaders, including union ministers. They aggressively campaigned. On the other side of the aisle, you were just staying away, not a single
rally. Because we wanted the voters to speak for themselves. This was not an election about Umar Abdullah, Dr. Farooq Abdullah or Mehbooba Mufti or Sajad Lone. This was an election about the voters of Jammu and Kashmir. We did not want to overwhelm this election with our personalities, with our parties. It had to be about what the people of Jammu and Kashmir wanted to say, not about what the National Conference or the PDP or the People's Conference or the Awami National Conference or the CPIM wanted to say. And I think the people have spoken in the most resounding way. Nobody can say that we went out and influenced or we played any sort of, we would have been accused of emotional blackmail. We would have been accused of using anti-national slogans. So we sat quiet. Okay. We said whatever happens, win or lose.
Were you afraid or you were careful?
We were neither afraid nor careful. We were confident.
Okay, you were confident that people will vote for you.
No, we were confident that whatever it is, we will accept the opinion of the people. So long as there is no ghapla, so long as there is no sort of abuse of the electoral process, we were confident that win or lose, we will accept the verdict of the people.
BJP is saying that it is a victory of democracy, and the way this election was conducted very peacefully, and the way overwhelming number of people came out and vote.
Shame on the BJP. This is the same BJP who yesterday used the police to detain more than 80 political workers belonging to the People's Alliance. And these are numbers from the J&K police, not my own. This is the same BJP that has used its agencies during the campaign period to mount a vicious campaign against the leaders of the People's Alliance. This is the same BJP that was this is the same BJP that was calling the National Conference and the PDP undemocratic parties. Now suddenly these people are saying this is a victory for democracy. Where was democracy on the 5th of August? Where was democracy when you used our campaigning and getting people to vote as the reason to slap PSA detention on us? Now suddenly this is a victory against Pakistan. But you were calling us Pakistani all this while. Now suddenly our victory becomes a victory against Pakistan. But until yesterday, your channels were happily calling us Pakistan at the drop of a hat. So nobody forgets the sort of vicious and unnecessary campaign that you launched. So don't make this about a victory of democracy, because if you really want democracy to win, then you have to accept the verdict of the people. And the verdict of the people is resoundingly rejecting what you did on the 5th of August 2019.